Most people think discipline means forcing yourself to do things you don't like and sacrificing comfort all the time. You try to be disciplined for a few days. It is hard because of how your mind reacts to it. This is not a flaw. It is a survival mechanism. Whenever you try to do something that requires effort or focusing on a task, your brain sends resistance signals. It tells you to delay, to rest, to do something easier. For a few days, motivation keeps them going. But as soon as motivation fades, the system collapses. This creates frustration and self-doubt. You start thinking that you lack willpower, when in reality, your approach was unrealistic. Instead of relying on motivation, the goal is not intensity, the goal is consistency. This is how discipline becomes easier. Your environment also plays a huge role in discipline. Keeping your phone away while working, having a clean workspace, significantly improve your ability to stay consistent. Instead of fighting your environment, you shape it in your favor. If you believe that you are someone who lacks discipline, your actions will reflect that belief. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting perfection, never missing a day, and always staying consistent. The difference is not in avoiding failure, but in how quickly you return. Disciplined people are not perfect. They are consistent in coming back. Another powerful shift is understanding that discipline actually creates freedom. You don't delay important tasks. You don't depend on your mood. You simply follow your system, and that creates mental clarity. Discipline also builds self-respect, external motivation, because you know, being busy does not mean being productive. This reduces overwhelm and makes your efforts more meaningful. It is something you build through small, repeated actions. Once you understand this, discipline stops feeling like a burden